So I'm here today at the Victoria Highland Games, and we have
Tanya Little.
And you were the pioneer, I hear, the very first woman ever
to do the heavy events in the Highland Games in BC.
And how did you get that started?
Well, originally we went to watch, and then I tried to throw because my dad's from Aberdeen, Scotland, and I was told no, women weren't allowed to throw the heavy events.
Really?
So then I had to throw the men's weights after the competition had ended, like throwing a 56-pound weight and a 100-pound caber and things like that. And then after that competition, then they let us start to establish, our family started to establish the women's events after that in BC.
Wow, I want to shake your hand for being the first woman. This is your husband, and what's your name?
Norman.
Norman, tell me about how you're involved in this.
I've been throwing since Tanya started as well. We've just been throwing. We developed the Highland Games in Kamloops, and
haven't looked back since.
We have two daughters, Natasha and Little, that have both done the heavy events, and then Natasha's been the BC champion many times for the heavy events for women.
Wow, and this is a special year for the women's events because it's the first time ever they've had it in Canada, the World Championships.
Women's Worlds in Victoria, BC is a big deal, and it's a testament to how well the heavy events are run in Victoria.
Now, women are commonly accepted in all heavy events around the world now.
Yes, that's true.
And what year did that happen? Did that change happen?
I do not know what year it happened globally.
But you were the pioneer that started making it happen in 1991, eh?
In BC.
Oh, good for you. I commend you for that. And what can you tell me briefly about the competitors we have here, like the women? There's some unique competitors here. Do you want to summarize what we have here?
Well, they come from all over, right? So in the world, they're coming from many countries are being represented here this weekend. But in the other levels as well, there's open women and masters women. So they have age categories. So even as you get older now, they have lighter weights for as women as age and for men as age. So it makes the sport more accessible.
Interesting, and I've heard the age range for the women is quite extensive. The youngest is 19 from Scotland, is it?
17.
Oh, she's 17 and she's a world champion?
Yes.
And she's only 17. Wow. And the oldest I hear is what?
Well into her 60s.
Into her 60s. Yeah. Wow. You know what? It would be nice to meet the oldest and the youngest if we can. Are they here?
Yeah, they are here, but whether they're going to want to meet people while they're mid-competition.
Yeah, that's a tricky thing to juggle, doing this camera work and capturing the behind-the-scene moments without disturbing the competitors. So I have to be very respectful and sensitive to the competitors because I was accosted by a woman that said I made her daughter nervous because I filmed her piping. And I tried to explain to her that it's something that she's going to have to get used to without being rude. Do you know what I mean? And it put me in a real awkward spot because I've been a childhood entertainer, piper, since I've been 8 years old. And I've been exposed to public, audiences from a long time. And you just have to ignore the audience. That's all there is to it. You have to focus on what you're doing and not let the external noises or the visual or audio distractions, interfere with your performance. So it's just all part of life and something we have to work on, right? But thanks again, you both, for your, I appreciate your time. Nice meeting you both. Take care. Bye-bye.
Yes, I know. I've seen them. Let's go, Dylan. Next from Edmonton, his first time from Victoria, Ryan Lawrence. Let's go, Ryan. Next one is right. This is the Irish. We're the first match, 10 feet right now. I'm going to walk it over and we can borrow it.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, stay out here because it's still fine. We'll find you some time. Oh! Amazing. Did you order them yet? We should order them before we go. Okay.
Next are 2 men classes with Evergrade out the field now. Oh, that's right. You will get a second guess. All right, we are now in the second attempts. So now the monsters get a little bit louder. Now in the second attempts. Let's go ahead and answer. Let me go up over and take the let's get this. Here we go, big pull. Next, second attempt for Dylan Kane, looking to go on 10 feet. Dylan is one of our visitors from Silver. Come on, Dylan, let's get this.
Let's go,